Hi students, welcome to Easy Chemistry by Pathan, and today in this session I am going to explain trick to find dia and paramagnetic nature. And for NEET, JEE and other competitive exams, they will ask which of the following is paramagnetic, which of the following is diamagnetic, like that questions. So to make answer in less time, just in 5 to 10 seconds, I made a trick. Molecules or ions which are having odd electrons are paramagnetic in nature, with a small exceptional case. Odd number along with 10 electron, 16 electron, 32 electrons also paramagnetic. This is not odd number but exceptional cases. Molecules or ions which are having even number electrons are diamagnetic. So it is very clear. Odd number electrons are there, paramagnetic. Even number electrons are there, diamagnetic, with one exceptional case, 10 electron, 16 electron, 32 electrons also paramagnetic in nature. This is one exceptional case. Based on these few previous year questions, we'll practice. For example, the question given previously for NEET like this. Which of the following is paramagnetic? Which of the following is paramagnetic? Options are given like this. Carbon monoxide, cyanide ion, nitrosyl ion, and O2 minus ion, oxide ion. Now let me see which is the paramagnetic in nature. Now you calculate number of electrons. Carbon, oxygen, atomic number. Their atomic number is carbon atomic number 6 electrons, plus oxygen atomic number 8. Together we are getting 14 electrons. Carbon 6 electrons plus nitrogen 7 electrons minus means 1 we have to add. That is equal to 14 electrons. Nitrogen 7 electrons, oxygen 8 electrons, plus means minus 1 we have to add. That is equal to, this is, we are getting again 14 electrons. Oxygen, you know very well, 8 into 2, 16, 16 plus 1, that equal to 17 electrons. So as we learned that even number is there, diamagnetic, odd number is there, paramagnetic. See, first three we have even number. So these are diamagnetic nature. And last one we have here 17 electrons, and this is we have paramagnetic in nature. So if you know this trick, and you can identify easily which is dia and which is para. And let one more question I am giving here, question number 2, and they are asking like this. Which of the following is not paramagnetic? Is not paramagnetic. So which of the following is not a paramagnetic in nature? So options are given like this. Option is NO. Option B is B2. Option C is O2. Option D is CO. And let me cross check whether given odd number or even number. Very easy method. We can identify easily. Go for here. Nitrogen 7, oxygen 8. We have here together 15 electrons. 15 electrons. Boron 5, 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5, nothing but 10 electrons. And oxygen 8 plus 8, 16 electrons. 16 electrons. And here carbon monoxide 6 plus 8, nothing but 14 electrons. 14 electrons. So let me cross check. Even number is there, diamagnetic. Odd number is there, paramagnetic. But some exceptions are there. 10 electrons and 16 electrons also paramagnetic. So this is para. This is para. And 14 electrons, 15 electrons. 15 electrons is para. 15 electrons also para. So this is now para in magnetic. And now you go for here. This is one we have dia. So they are asking which of the following is not paramagnetic. Odd number is there, paramagnet. 10 electrons paramagnet. 16 electrons paramagnet, because 10, 16, 32 is exceptional case. That also, though they are even number, exceptional case. That is also paramagnetic in nature. And here 14 electrons, even number. Even number means I given diamagnetic. They are asking which is not paramagnetic. So this is diamagnetic. So we can go for that. This is not a paramagnetic in nature. Like this, you can do any question with least effort. And for practice session I am giving here, and you practice this for your betterment. And here I am giving N2, and here giving C2, O2 and S2, and you go for which is para and which is dia. That you are getting the easy for practice session. And you go for another question I am giving here, O2 2 minus, O2 plus, O2, and another I am giving NO. This also you practice which is dia and which is para in magnetic. And you practice one more like this. And the question is given like this, N2 plus Li2 CO plus NO2 minus. You practice this question also, and somewhere it will be useful for you. It is useful for your future. And you go for like that another compound like S8 P4 O2, and here you have Cl2, and this is also you can practice for your better future. And one more question I am giving here, O2 minus, O2 plus, O2 2 minus, and O2 2 plus. And this is you practice, then you are getting some clarity to get easily which is dia and which is para. So students, you have to remember molecules are ions which are having odd number electron are paramagnetic. Even number electrons diamagnetic, with some exceptions. 10 electrons, 16 electrons, 32 electrons. Though these are even number, they exhibit paramagnetic in nature. This is one you have to remember as exceptional case. And here two questions I explained previously given, NEET and JEE, and this is I given for your practice session, and you practice which one is dia, which one is para, and accordingly to calculate number of electrons in given compound. And still if you have any problem to identify in any compound, and make your comment in our comment section, I will make answer. If anybody interested, and make these answers, and you practice, and if you cross check these answers, you make a comment, I will give answer. And thank you.